Hello and welcome back, English learners. I'm really happy you're here today because this session is going to help you speak more confidently and naturally. Today, we're doing something powerful, a shadowing practice session. This is not just about listening. This is about actively using your voice. Before we begin, let me ask you something. How has your day been so far? Did you notice anything interesting today? Did you try to use English in real life? If yes, that's fantastic. Keep going. If not, that's completely okay. You're here now, and that's what matters. Why shadowing? Let's be honest. Many learners spend hours listening to English, but still feel nervous when speaking. Why? Because speaking is a skill you must practice actively. Shadowing helps you improve pronunciation, build natural rhythm, speak more fluently, gain confidence. You will listen and repeat immediately, almost like an echo. Don't worry about perfection. Focus on progress and consistency. Important mindset. Remember this. Speaking slowly is okay. Making mistakes is normal. Feeling uncomfortable is part of growth. In fact, mistakes mean you're improving. Even 10 minutes every day can completely change your English. How this practice works. Here's what you need to do. Listen carefully to each sentence. Repeat after me. Try to copy the pronunciation and rhythm. Speak out loud, not in your head. You can pause and repeat as many times as you want. Let's begin. Shadowing sentences. Level 1. Warm up. I am improving my English every day. I am not afraid of making mistakes anymore. I understand more than I did before. I feel more confident when I practice regularly. I enjoy learning new words and expressions. I listen carefully and try to notice details. I speak clearly, even if I am not perfect. I make an effort every single day. I believe in my ability to improve. I stay consistent even when it feels difficult. Level 2. Slightly more advanced. My daily practice is helping me become more fluent. I am learning to express my thoughts more clearly. I am not giving up even when progress feels slow. I understand that learning takes time and patience. I speak English to communicate, not to be perfect. I am building confidence step by step. Every time I practice, I improve a little more. I am stronger than my doubts. Speaking out loud helps me learn faster. I stay motivated, even on difficult days. Level 3. B2 Expansion. I am becoming more confident in expressing my ideas in English. I can communicate my thoughts more effectively than before. Even small improvements are important in my learning journey. I am developing strong habits that support my progress. I understand that consistency is more important than intensity. I am learning to think in English naturally. I am patient with myself as I improve step by step. Every challenge helps me grow and become better. I am proud of the effort I am making every day. This is only the beginning of my English journey. Amazing work! You've just completed your shadowing practice session. Take a moment and think. Did you speak out loud? Did you feel more confident? Which sentence felt the easiest? Remember, this is not about perfection. This is about showing up and practicing. If you continue like this every day, your English will improve faster than you think. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and most importantly, keep believing in yourself. I'll see you in the next session.